Hello, hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Friday. Happy Friday. And it's time once again for Duck Duck Dishcloth. This was started by Missy at Missy's Yarniverse and More, and I have her channel linked in the description box if you've not ever checked her out. But we started this in January, and she took this book, the Encyclopedia of Dishcloths, and I have the links for this book in the description box. And we went through and we numbered each dishcloth, and then we're going through, and she has these little rubber ducks, and she picks them one at a time. One of us, I'll get it out in a minute. One of us that are competing in this, or not competing really, but that are involved with this, that as content creators, she lets us decide how many ducks to pick. So let's say we said 4. I think Sam from Memphis Makes, she was the one drawn this past week and said 4. So, or for the next week anyway. So she'll go duck, 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 dishcloth, and the fourth one is the number. So whatever that duck, when she says dishcloth, whatever number's on the bottom of that duck, that's the dishcloth that we will work on. And last week we picked this one, and it's the soft ripple. And so that's what the duckies picked. And it said to use a solid and a variegated, but I just used 2 solids for mine. And so this is what mine looks like. Had some white and some baby blue. And this was a really fun pattern. I enjoyed it. I like ripples. Some didn't like it as much, but I really enjoyed ripples, and I like making the ripple stitch. So I think this was a really cute and fun project to do. So there's my ripple, soft ripple dishcloth. And then so the ducks picked the next dishcloth, and they had a little bit of fun because not only do the ducks have these numbered, but we have Missy put in larger ducks, and sometimes she'll pick a duck and the bottom of it will say release the quacking. And that's the larger ducks. So they picked the quacking again, and I think this is the last quacking, so the rest of them should come from the book. But they picked, when she gets a quack and she opens up the bigger duck, and inside it has a free pattern from somewhere other than the book. And so this was a free Yarnspirations pattern. It is called the Free Crochet Daisy Wheel Dishcloth, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? It's like a flower, a daisy. So this is the dishcloth that I will be making for next week. And I don't know what colors I'm using. I haven't decided that yet. But yeah, that is, I'm so sorry, forgive my yawns. But that is the dishcloth that I'll be working on for next week, and I'll let you see how that turned out next Friday. Just as a reminder, guys, tonight at 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, Shannon and I are going live. We will have our film to fiber, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what I made. We chose the film Some Like It Hot. It's with Marilyn Monroe, Tony Curtis, and Jack Lemmon, and it's an absolutely fantastic movie, and I love it. It's funny. It's just an all around good movie. We're featuring that movie, and we'll be showing you what we made based on that film. So make sure you join us tonight at 8 p.m. Central and 9 Eastern. It will be shown on both of our channels, so make sure you tune in. And I'm so excited because I can't wait to see what I made. For you all to see what I made. Not, I know what I made. I can't get the words out today, guys. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I have been hit by a Mack truck. I am just exhausted. I don't care how much sleep I get. I wake up and I still feel tired. I don't feel like I've had an ounce of sleep. That's why I'm yawning. I slept. I went to bed early last night. I took a nap yesterday. I went to bed early last night and slept all night, and still I'm waking up feeling like I don't have any energy whatsoever. So hopefully I can make it through tonight's. Hopefully I'll be able to make it through tonight's live without too much trouble. But guys, I don't know what's going on with my body right now. It's just, I don't know. But anyway, so be sure to tune in tonight for our film to fiber. really enjoyed this one. I had fun making my project, and I can't wait to see what Shannon made because we don't tell each other what we've made. It's a surprise to both of us. Uh, so anyway, that's Duck Duck Dishcloth. I'm going to get off of here and let you guys get back to your Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Monday morning or Monday at 1 o'clock for the members only live. So I'll see you then. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.